Welcome to Chameledec. Chameledec is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional wall and ceiling decorative products. Chameledec provides a one-coat, easily applied finish to most wall and ceiling substrates, providing a long-lasting, durable, repairable finish that can be mixed to individual preferences for unique decorative designs or used from our standard colour range. By simply rehydrating the product, it is possible to remove and reapply Chameledec to another surface. This is especially useful in environments where wall configurations are changing. Chameledec standard colours can be combined to form new and exciting colours to suit your own imagination. Decorative coloured flecks and glitter can be added to form endless new colour ranges for walls or ceilings. Chameledec is not a standard wall or ceiling covering. Chameledec challenges your colour and design imagination with endless configurations.